Welcome to our Juceo channel. Have you ever wondered when it's actually time to replace your bike tire? A lot of riders think they should wait until they get a flat. But that's one of the biggest mistakes you can make. The truth is, your tire usually gives you several warning signs before it fails. Today, I'm going to show you the most common signs of tire wear, explain why they matter, and at the end of the video, I'll also show you one of our 26-inch tires and put it through a real riding test. This is our first video, and we will randomly select one viewer from the comments section to receive a set of our tires. So let's get started. The first thing you should check is the tread. As the tread wears down, your tire loses grip, especially on wet roads and loose surfaces. If your tire is starting to look smooth instead of textured, it's time to think about replacing it. Next, inspect the sidewall carefully. Small cracks usually appear because the rubber has aged, or the tire has spent too much time in the sun. Even if the tread still looks good, damaged sidewalls can become a serious safety issue. Another sign many riders ignore is repeated punctures. Sometimes it's not your inner tube causing the problem. A worn tire can no longer protect the tube from sharp objects. If you're repairing flats more often than before, inspect your tire carefully. So, once you've decided it's time for a new tire, what should you look for? This is our Juceo 26-inch steel belt puncture-resistant tire. It features a reinforced steel belt protection layer that helps reduce punctures from glass, small stones, and other road debris. Choosing the right tire isn't just about replacing an old one. It's about making every ride safer and more enjoyable. Next, I will swap out the tires and take them out for a real-world test ride. I will proceed to test on uphill sections, grassy areas, and downhill slopes. Let's go. I've got the tires installed now. The first scenario I chose is a grassy area. I am testing the tire's grip on the grass. When riding on muddy, grassy terrain, traction is crucial for a smooth ride. Also, quieter tires also enhance your overall riding experience. I am very satisfied with the tire's performance on grass. It doesn't slip at all, and it doesn't sink completely into depressions. I see a depression up ahead. Let's give it a try. This pothole was incredibly deep, and I couldn't make it through safely. Please slow down, stay alert, and ride safely, everyone. Let's sum up the grass test. Even though I couldn't get through the deep hole, the tire performed really well on wet grass. It had strong traction, resisted slipping, and easily rolled over smaller bumps and dips without any issues. I've found an uphill slope. Now, let's test the tire's performance on the uphill and downhill sections. The performance was excellent. The tires remained very quiet throughout the drive. I could feel the strong grip provided by the sidewall tread, making it very difficult for the tires to slip. The best tire isn't just the toughest one. It's the one that gives you confidence every time you ride. Now, let's summarize. Today, we tested on grass, uphill, and downhill. Even though I didn't drive through the bottom of that massive pothole, I still consider this tire's grip and anti-slip performance to be excellent. I would give it an overall score of 4. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end. This is the very first video on our channel. We're Juceo, with 27 years of tire manufacturing experience. Don't forget to like, follow, and comment. We'll randomly select one lucky viewer to receive a free Juceo tire. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.